What's up, y'all? Okay, I'm back at it again with another video. This is gonna be an epic prank. So I'm finna tell her I broke her washing machine and dryer. It's gonna be funny because she do not play about her stuff. So she's in Pappy's right now. Some of y'all might not know what that is, but it's like a gyros Philly thingy place or whatever. She up in there, and when she come out, I'm finna get into the video. So y'all stay tuned. I know it's finna take a while because I know she in there ordering. Maybe taking a while. But while she's up in there, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Like, she's finna get in the car, y'all, so it's finna go down.
Shit, he said Restaurant Depot in Brooklyn Center.
For real?
Yeah, but for $100-something, I said no,
You talking about for $100?
It comes in a bag. The one we be getting is like really not in at all. And if it comes in a bag, I mean, it's powder like, and I can tell that. But I said, shit, you just put me something in the bag and I'll pay you. How about that? I'm not gonna be paying no $100-something for it. It ain't that damn serious. Right. It is, 'cause I really could put that on my spaghetti. I'll put that on for everything. You know what I'm saying? It might be worth it.
Is it like big?
Make the food taste, he said it's about like this.
Yeah. It's not like we're gonna use all of it like then that day. $100 and what dollars?
Maybe like I don't know, 100 or something. But I would definitely have to. I mean, really, that'll make me want to start cooking so I can use that. But I wouldn't buy no more of the stuff we'd be buying. I would save them jars, you know, the things, and put it in there. Yeah. I got the wrong thing. You out the shower? Yep, I'm on 26. I'll be in like 5 minutes. Let me see that bag down there.
My bad. But it's the green light.
I didn't see my hair.
Oh my gosh, look at all them birds.
Going way south.
Okay, so I had to wash my shoes, right?
In the wash machine?
Yeah. Like, you know them. No, but you know, like
my fries. You ate all my damn fries?
No, I didn't touch your fries. They in the corner. But you know, like the you know them shoes that was on top of the
Oh yeah, them colorful shoes.
Yeah, and it was like dirty, really dirty. Yeah, I put them in there.
So what happened?
Your dryer broke.
Huh?
Your dryer broke.
I'm for real.
Yeah.
The dryer broke?
Yes.
You weren't supposed to put the shoes in the dryer.
That's what Maceo told me to do.
Fuck Maceo! I'll be there. Okay, I gotta put insurance on it then. And then just get a whole new dryer. I don't believe it. Thanks for telling me. Wow. I'm gonna have to do that now.
No, I'm just playing. It's a prank.
It ain't the 4th of July. You ain't getting no more fries. You fucking